Hello everyone, today we will explore the HKMIG200Z MIG welding machine without gas and 3 functions. This is the perfect choice for households or small-scale production facilities. The HKMIG200Z welding machine features 3 welding functions: MIG welding without gas using flux-cored wire, MIG welding with CO2 gas using solid wire, and MMA welding for rod welding tasks. Whether welding steel, stainless steel, or other metals, this machine performs excellently. With an output current of up to 160 amps, this welding machine is suitable for MIG welding with wire sizes ranging from 0.8 millimeters to 1.0 millimeters. And for rod welding with sizes from 2.6 millimeters to 3.2 millimeters. Ensuring strong and smooth welds. This welding machine is very easy to use and energy efficient, making it ideal for home welding or small workshops. With a 1 to 5 kilogram spool of bare wire feed, you can weld continuously without worrying about interruptions. The machine comes with all the necessary accessories, including a detachable 15 HKMIG gun, welding clamp, ground clamp, and welding cable. It ensures you have everything needed to get started right away. With its outstanding features and versatility, the HKMIG200Z MIG welding machine will be your powerful assistant for all welding tasks. Contact us now to own this product.